Hi guys, I'm back with another Miele G 1220 SC problem. When the machine starts, there's a bit of a rattle happening. If you have a listen here, about 20 seconds, just hang on. That little noise there. Now at the moment, when the machine starts up, it should be the drain pump emptying the machine. So my guess is there's something in that drain pump. So what we'll do is we'll take the bottom cover off again. Those four T15 Torx screws, two at the back and two in the front. Same procedure as last time. And then once you've got that cover off, you'll be able to see all the pumps and the Magotis inside. So that's the cover off. That's the main circulation pump, and that's a little float, and above the float there is the drain pump. So to get that off, I slip off the little float and then undo the coupling, the electrical connection to that pump. At the bottom there's a anti-rotation little tab. You need to push that down, so I just slip my screwdriver in there and push that tab down, trying to get a better angle for you guys. There we go. So that tab on the right needs to move down. The screwdriver slips in there nicely and then just moves that tab out of the way, and then once that's anti-locking things out, you can rotate that clockwise, and then it just slips out, and voila, if you look in there you'll see, yep, as suspected, little bone. How it got in there I don't know, but there it is. So fixed.